Rashmika, you literally broke a leg with that performance. Is your leg okay?
Well, not so much today, but back then it
For
was.
our good luck, you've taken break a leg too seriously.
Yeah, really did.
How's it playing the Maharani?
It's an honor from a girl coming from South to be playing a Maharani. Yesubai is the most privileged and the most special thing that I could ask for in this lifetime. And I was just telling Lakshman sir, I feel like after this, I'm happy enough to retire. Thank you, sir. Thank
We
you.
want to see you more and more and more for the lifetime
No,
to
the
come.
thing is, I'm not someone who cries just like that, but this trailer choked me up so much. And Vicky, what you've pulled up, like, what was that? As in, he looks like, I don't know, he almost looks like God. Like, he is Chava. Like, it's incredible. Congratulations, really.
Absolutely. Congratulations to the entire team for doing this. 14th Feb is when Chawa comes out, and I'm really excited. I had goosebumps seeing the trailer too, Rashmika. And I'm sure our friends in the media have questions and we're excited to ask. We have the question here. Yeah.
Rashmika, my question is to you. You please be seated. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi.
Only.
रश्मिका के लिए नीचे आ थोड़ा हाइट में फर्क है
Rashmika, playing this role of Yesubai as the Maharani, it must be a deeply enriching experience for you. As I asked Vicky, what was it? What was a life-changing moment for you for this part?
Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Ah, ले लो. Thank you. Thank you. मैं आंसर करूं? Okay. पहले तो I remember being absolutely shocked कि how did Lakshman sir, Lakshman sir, how did sir even think of giving me a role like this to play? I think I just surrendered because I didn't know, like Vicky said, you don't have a reference, right? You're like, it's a story, you know their story, and there's such majestical, impactful characters, personalities. How do you play them? I think for me specifically, I just surrendered, dived into what Lakshman sir wanted. There was, of course, a lot of rehearsals and practice in terms of language and everything. But it's just the trust you have on the team because you know that if someone has to pull this off, you just should not have any sort of barriers of yourself. You just have to come here and say, sir, I am all in. Whatever you ask for, I'm here to deliver. And that's what you're seeing on screen today. Thank you.
Whether it's north, whether it's south, how has it been with Medoc? Also, the second one, Thama. So it's like you are our favorite now.
I feel like Madoc is the only production house which can really get me out of my comfort zone. Dino sir will sit and say, this you have to do. As in, I'll be like, me, you think I can do it? He will make sure that I do it and it looks like it's the best work till date. That's somehow, that's his power. Like, I think that also explains the box offices he's been delivering. But for me as an artist, it's a blessing that I get to work with people like Dino sir, Lakshman sir, Vicky, with the commitment and the dedication he has. I'm just considering myself extremely privileged and extremely, extremely lucky right now. And I'm not someone who tears up generally, but looking at this trailer, I'm like, I'm on the edge right now. I'm like, don't lose it.